Hey, what's up, party people? It's Deanna Olette. Welcome back to my channel. If you guys want to see how I got this hair, keep on watching. But before we get to that, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell for post notifications, because if you're watching this video and this is like my 7th video or 8th video, if you're watching this video and you still haven't liked or comment, subscribe, I'm convinced like your life priorities is just not together. Your credit's bad. Like something must be wrong. Because how you 7 videos in and you still ain't subscribed yet? I'm just playing. Anyway, y'all, we about to get into this little hair tutorial how I got this color. I'm not gonna make this intro really long, so let's get to it. Alright, y'all, this is my wig. This is my 613 wig from West Kiss Hair. I'm about to dye this pastel pink. I did not have a big enough container to do this watercolor method, so I washed out my sink and I'm using my sink. I'm gonna take 1 bottle of pink petal, Adore pink petal, and I'm gonna put it in there. And then after doing that, I'm gonna take this little dye brush and just make sure all the colors are incorporated in there. And I use hot water, not boiling hot water, just hot water from the faucet. But I'm about to just make sure all the color is mixed in there like that. Now I'm gonna take my wig and I'm gonna submerge it in the water. And I'm gonna work it in there, y'all. So make sure you move it around and work it in there. In there, I'm just gonna take my brush and just move the hair around in there while it's in there, making sure that all of the strands is getting some dye. Be sure to move it around, cause like here you see some light spots, so be sure you make sure you move it around in the water. If you look, we have some light spots, so we're going in with a 2nd bottle of dye. And the 2nd bottle of dye I'm using is Cotton Candy by Adore. We're about to take Cotton Candy by Adore. And this is the same water, y'all. The water turned clear once I put my wig in there. It picked up all the color. And I'm taking my wig out the water for this because I want to mix all the water in there. Mix all the dye in the water. Now, when the bottle gets empty like this, what I do is I take the top off and I put the bottle inside the water, and then I fill it up with some water from here and I shake it and I squirt it back in there. Now I'm taking my dye brush and I'm just mixing the water around in there, making sure all the dye is mixed in. Now when I put the wig in this time, put the wig in making sure all the light spots that didn't get color are exposed first. You're not going to be able to see this part because I'm recording on my phone, but I'm about to take both of my hands and massage it into the water just to make sure that all sections that didn't get color get color. Alright, that's how it's looking, y'all. It's sitting in the water. I have 1 more dye of Cotton Candy that I have not added yet, but I'm about to let this sit in the water for about 10 minutes. And then I'm gonna come back, and then if I don't like the color, I'm gonna add the last bottle of Cotton Candy. So far I used 1 bottle of pink petal and 1 bottle of Cotton Candy, but I purchased 2 bottles of Cotton Candy. I recommend you purchase 2 bottles of pink petal. That was my original plan, but when I ordered the pink petal from Amazon, I forgot to increase the quantity to 2 instead of 1. So we're gonna work with what we got. After 10 minutes, this is how it's looking. I'm loving the color. It's a little bit of white light spots in here. So I am going to go into my other Cotton Candy hair dye and just add a little bit more dye to the water and then let it sit for another 10 minutes. Y'all, that pink is so pretty. But I'm going to just take a little bit more Cotton Candy. It's a little more. Not even a full bottle. Just a little drizzle like that. I'm gonna mix it in just to help make sure that those little light spots I seen get coated. Now I'm gonna let this sit in there for 10 more minutes. All right, y'all. The timer went off. 10 minutes is up. Let's pull this out of the water and see how it's looking. Ooh, y'all. Hold up. Let me get a better look. Ooh, do y'all see that? Yes, that is pretty. All right, y'all. I am going to blow dry this hair and put it on my mannequin and blow dry it, and let's see how it looks now. Here is the wig. It's not blow dried yet. I'm about to put some of this glossing hair polisher on it and some heat protector spray, and I'm about to blow dry it. Alright, y'all, this is the hair after it's been blow dried. I have not straightened it yet. It has been just only blow dried. This hair is soft, y'all. It is soft. It has not shedded or anything like that. It didn't tangle up after dyeing it. It is soft and luscious, and I love this color. I love this color, y'all. Like, I don't know if it's picking up on camera, but the fact that I dipped it in pink Petal first, then dipped it in cotton candy, it gives it this like highlight, low light type of look. Like, it's not just all one solid color. You can see the difference. Like, right, I don't know if it's picking up on camera or not, but like, this is light and then this one is dark. It's just so pretty. It's just so pretty. Then when you move it, under here is a little lighter. I just love it. I just love it so much. So much. All right, y'all, so this is the hair. I am in love with this hair. This hair is soft. It doesn't tangle. It's silky. It's a colorful. It's not dry. Any of that. I love this hair so much. I'll give y'all a little details about the hair. So like up here, I noticed that I did have a lot of flyaways. So I just took some Got2b glue-free spray and just slicked it down. Though it was no big thing. That's not like a make or break for me, but it is something I want to tell you guys so you guys can know. Aside from that, the cap size. So I got a cap size large, and I think, if I'm not mistaken, my head circumference is a 24, maybe a 26. My mannequin head is a 24. So if you're anything bigger than a 26, I don't recommend you buy this wig, only because the cap is kind of snug. You know, even before I put my elastic band in it, because this wig is glueless. I will put up a tutorial on how I made all my units glueless. But even before I put the elastic band in it, the wig was kind of snug, and I was kind of fearful that it was too small for me. It wouldn't go on my head on the way. But then when I finally put it on, I got it adjusted right. It was good. This wig comes with 3 combs, 1, 2, and another one in the back. It's the little hook drawstring in the back. I did not tint my lace. I just put my Fenty Beauty bronzer in the shade Caramel Cutie on my lace, and then I put my Too Faced concealer in the shade Maple along my part, and that was it. Again, this wig is not glueless. I just put it on Got2b free spray, my little swoop right here, and called it a day. I will put up a tutorial on how I make my units glueless, because I use the elastic band method. The hair is 28 inches long. I think it's 200% density. So this is really nice. Another thing, if you get the wig longer than 28 inches, go for the higher density. Because I honestly wish I could have got this in a higher density, just because I like thick hair, but I'm not complaining, because this is actually not bad, y'all. It's not bad. It's not bad at all. But other than that, this hair is really nice. I love West Kiss hair. I buy all my hair from West Kiss hair. West Kiss should low-key send me hair and sponsor me, because I've been buying the hair for years. No cap. But other than that, this is the hair. I hope you guys enjoy watching this mini hair tutorial. This was originally my hair for my 21st birthday, but we on quarantine, so she has not seen outside yet, but best believe she will as soon as quarantine lifts. Stay tuned for my next video. I'm gonna link it somewhere on the screen, because I'm gonna do a makeup look for this hair. So if you follow me on social media, you've seen this hair already, and you've seen the look I did with this hair. That was my original like my birthday glam, but again, quarantine, didn't go anywhere. But I am going to show you guys how I got that look. So stay tuned. It's going to be somewhere here on the screen or something. Click that. Other than that, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, share, hit that bell for post notifications. And that's it, you guys. So have fun watching my videos because we can't do nothing else. And interact with me, talk to me, let me know what y'all want to see. What color do y'all want to see me do next? Let me know, comment down some things. But other than that, I'm about to wrap up this video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoy watching me, and see you guys in my next one. Bye.